Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Palm Harbor. We're going to do a two-car garage. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this coating. It's going to be a full chip job. We're going to put in baseboards. And we are going to have to remove this coating, put in baseboards. And the way we're going to do this job today is we're going to come out onto the apron. And because the apron is in direct sun, what we're going to do is we're going to put a polyaspartic top coat on this job because it does offer a little bit better UV protection. So we're going to remove this baseboard in the corner because it's the only place that has baseboard, and better to match the baseboards in the whole garage, we're going to remove it. So we're all set up, and now we're going to get started. Okay, we're all finished up. We just finished putting the top coat on. This particular floor has a polyaspartic top coat. So we did the baseboards, full chip. We removed some baseboard over here and built in a small cove along that area. Just because it was an oddball that was only baseboard there. So this is a full chip job with baseboard, two-car garage. Again, we're down in Palm Harbor. This was tile. We deglazed the tile before putting the baseboard on. We filled in all those cracks. And this color is Dolphin. You can really appreciate that top coat in the sun. We put a lot of work into this edge, rounding it over, give a nice smooth edge so when you drive in, you don't pull it up. Looks great. Thanks for watching.